Morning everyone, and I'm finally doing the Ingleton Waterfall Trail today. So I've just set off from the car park. I think it was £4 for a ticket, and I'm just going to follow the circular route round. It's meant to take sort of between 2 and 4 hours. And at the moment I've got the trail all to myself, so let's go. So I'm already in my t-shirt. It's quite humid today actually. So I say I finally am doing this walk because I've intended to do it for about, I don't know, 4 months now. I keep saying, oh, today I'll do the Ingleton Waterfall Trail, and I just haven't done yet. So quite glad that I finally got around to doing it. So far along this trail you can just smell the garlic everywhere. So it's been a pretty nice walk. It's quite busy. It is a Saturday. I suppose that's my only thing about it, is I quite like quiet walks to myself. but otherwise it's been absolutely lovely. You've pretty much most of the way got a river and the sound of water to accompany you on the walk. So yeah, I'm a little over halfway. It can definitely get done in 2 hours if you're an average walker, but I stopped for lunch for a bit by the big waterfall, and there's loads and loads of bluebells when you're sort of coming through the wood section. As soon as you're back in the woods, all you can smell is the garlic again. It's really nice.